Is Linktree a good thing? And most importantly, should you be using it? In this video, I'm going to go over the pros and cons of Linktree. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back. But if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel where it's all about helping you grow your business on the interwebs. Also, be sure to select that bell notification so you know when I upload my next video. And as always, be sure to visit the description below for helpful resources related to this video. Okay, so Linktree, it is a tool that offers us a customizable landing page, basically a single micro website with links of all of our stuff that we want, like social media platforms, website, other important links. You can put that all into one Linktree page to basically link anything that you want on the interwebs to drive traffic to your pages, your social media sites, which gives your followers an easy one-click access to all of those places where they can find your content online. But should you use Linktree? So here are the pros and cons. But first, I'd like to let you know that I have building my own web pages, capture pages, sales funnels, checkouts, courses, workshops, etc. since 2015. So I wanted to let you know that if you are someone like me who loves to create true customizable pages that stand out from the crowd, you're gonna love the alternative Linktree-like page. So stay tuned. But if you're a non-techie type person, you can use Linktree. That's awesome because it's super easy to use. However, I have a special gift for you at the end, so make sure you stay tuned as well. So the decision to use Linktree is basically a personal one. If you decide to use Linktree or change your mind, don't worry, you aren't married to it. So here are some pros and cons of Linktree. So some pros is it's free unless you opt into the pro features, which is $6 a month. You get a bio link that houses links to all of your content in one place. So basically you have one link that people visit and access all of your other links into one place. And it's definitely a perfect solution for those one more, only the allow one link like Instagram. Another pro is that it's simple and quick to open an account, set up your links, and paste the Linktree link on all of your social media accounts so you can share your content with your followers. You also get some really cool stats and to see who's clicking, which link they're clicking, and how often they're visiting. So now some cons about Linktree. The free version has its limits. So for starters, limited background, limited stats. You have to keep the Linktree logo on the page, which basically, unless you have the paid versions, the paid version, $6 a month, is you can take that logo off. So why is that a con? Well, you're basically advertising Linktree for free and not getting paid for it. So more about referral commissions in just a minute. Another con is you can easily make your own landing page anywhere else, like using WordPress, Squarespace, other blogging platforms, and other, you can use other links in your bio, which are, directs traffic to your site instead of using a middleman site that benefits you from your traffic. So basically having Linktree as a middleman means that you may lose some clicks along the way as your readers, they might not want to keep clicking through to access to the content they want to get to. Another con is growing concern is that Instagram may mark some Linktree links as spam, which can make your bio link unclickable. So a little experience in my own personal experience with that is I was using a platform that was a housed link, just like Linktree. We all get a Linktree link / then our name. When that gets used a lot, it starts to mark as spam. Some social media sites just do that. Just keep that in mind. And one last con is some people feel that the look of Linktree can negatively impact your brand or the curb appeal of your business because now you're drowning in the sea of sameness. How do you stand out? Yes, Linktree has competitors. There are other sites that offer similar link capabilities and features as such as, bio.fm and tap bio. So back to the question that got me thinking, is Linktree a good thing? And I think Linktree's concept is good. It is a good thing. It's great, actually. The idea of routing all of your readers, your followers to one place to easily find all of your social links, your websites, your content is pretty sweet concept. It's especially good idea if you can only use one link in your bio, such in the case with Instagram. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to show you my alternative. But if you have your own website, you have your own blog or platform like WordPress, Squarespace, or Wix or whatever, you can probably accomplish the same look, the same goals, right? Just the same concept as Linktree, if not better, to making your landing page to show off your links and your content. Plus, if you can customize the pages as you wish and avoid some of those limitations, expenses, or the cons of using Linktree or other sites to drive traffic that will go elsewhere directly to your site. That just seems like a good marketing sense to me. So of course, Linktree and other similar sites are offering a one-stop shop type of content link to house all of your stuff, but partially for many people, like those without blogs or websites, Linktree can also be useful, and Linktree-like sites, right, can be useful to as a starting point. So think like checking it off the box until you get around to creating your own landing page. All right, so what am I using? What I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen real quick so I can show you my Linktree-like site and Linktree side by side on both desktop and mobile. So let's go ahead and head over there now. All right, here you can see this is the Linktree account that I have. I have the free account. You can see that their logo is here, and I have all of my stuff here, which is really cool. The only thing I don't have, because it's not the free account, is I don't have anything attached with an opt-in form, right, to get people on my email list. So then here is the HBA funnel one, which is really cool. Let me go back over here real quick and notice that the buttons kind of highlight. I like that. That's really cool, and you can kind of change the colors in Linktree. But with HBA Funnel Builder, I can make them pop, right? So that's a huge difference on that, which is really awesome. And I can add any logos, and this is completely customizable. I can, what I like to do is I like to make this background image type kind of darker. So when people are maybe on their mobile phone and they're looking at it at night, it won't blind their eyes like this one. Yes, they do have other backgrounds that I can choose, but I like definitely the clean look and the sorts. And then there's an opt-in form right here, which is really awesome. And another thing I like is that I get to put a footer in, which completely brands my Linktree-like page. I can put my privacy policy, terms of service, and legal disclaimer, which is really awesome. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like on mobile. All right, so this is what Linktree looks like on mobile. It's pretty clean, pretty awesome. And then you can see the Linktree logo is on the bottom. And this is what my HBA Linktree-like site looks like. It's pretty awesome. So you can see all of my information is here, plus the opt-in form and my little footer, which I absolutely love. So there is that. Okay, now you kind of see them side by side. What I wanted to touch on is I have yet to see other platforms, tools, or site builders yet that gives us the opportunity to get paid to use their site like the one that I use, which is the HBA Funnel Builder. HBA offers a free affiliate program, and they will pay you 80% commission per referral. And here's the cool part. It's only 25 bucks. And so why do I use HBA where Linktree is like free, or even $6? Well, 80% commission on $25 for the HBA is $20, where Linktree, they don't even offer an affiliate program. So think about that. When people who are, you already referred people to Linktree, they decide to buy the pro of Linktree. Linktree gets 100% of that profit, and you get zero. Even if you're paying for the pro, and you're basically paying Linktree to advertise them, whether you keep the Linktree logo on or not. So think about that. But here's the cool part. With HBA, all you need are 2 visitors to find themselves on your Linktree-like page on HBA Funnel Builder, and they want their own. You tell them what you have, they buy from you, and guess what? You've already profited your investment with just 2 people, which is awesome. So just something to think about. All right, so that's what I got for you today. Thank you for hanging with me. If you are not the techie person that wants to build a page from scratch, here is the gift I have for you. Even if you are techie, I still have a gift for you just for watching this video. When you invest into HBA Funnel Builder, I'm going to give you the template for free. You don't even have to rebuild anything. It's all there for you. All you got to do is add your image, add your link, just like what Linktree does, except for this time you get to be a free affiliate and you get paid 80% commissions just for being a member of HBA Funnel Builder. So that link is below. So the question I have for you is, do you use Linktree right now or any other site for linking your content? Should you use Linktree? What do you think? What are the pros and cons? What do you think about those? Drop in the comments and share your thoughts and experiences. And of course, you can find other helpful resources to help you grow your business on the interwebs. And if you have any questions, definitely comment below. My name is Kati Stage. I want to thank you for watching. Remember, hitting that subscribe button is always appreciated. I look forward to helping you again soon. Thanks and bye for now.